My name is Morten Bechlund. I'm Senior Vice President for People and Performance at Norican Group. Norican Group is a global corporation covering 4 different power brands: Italpasse, Trigro Westhofen, DISA, and Wheelabrator. We have approximately 2,000 employees across the North American continent, across Europe, India, and Asia Pacific. We were lacking this communication, which was what led us to the HubEngage platform as an opportunity to have something which is maybe also less formal than these very strict memos from the corporate, but also an opportunity for our colleagues in North America to see what is actually happening. How does our site in Shanghai actually look? If we establish a new factory in India, well, let's share pictures from the event, and thereby also sharing with all employees. And so the office administrator in Metal in Germany can actually see what our physical location in Shanghai or in India actually looks like. We can share corporate information about changes in the organization, about status for the years, as well as these more social dimensions, such as we just ran a Christmas calendar quiz the last December, where employees across the group could read fun facts about various parts of our organization, and then participate in a quiz with the opportunity to win prizes. So multiple social dimensions, multiple formality levels, and I think that's one of the strengths of the tools.